Hello friends, I'm Esan from eBangalore This is Simple Home 1, a new series of very simple design basic houses available for sale. Located in HSR layout BDA, 3rd sector, just 1.2 kilometers from BDA shopping complex. It's a 3 BHK independent house with east facing 20x30 site. Prime location with Cauvery water. Ground floor you can see car portico. Small car or two-wheelers can be parked. Living room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom on the ground floor. First floor has 2 bedrooms and 2 attached bathrooms. Granite flooring. 1200 square feet of super built up area. So this is east facing site, north facing door. Northwest corner kitchen with utility. Second option as per Vastu. This house was built in 2011. This is the utility, setback space and ventilation purpose skylight is there behind. Sizes are comfortable. If you are looking for an independent house in proper HSR layout, it's a good deal. So this is a smaller room, 10 by 10. 2 rooms on the first floor are spacious, around 11 by 13, 10.5 by 14. So let's see the first floor. This is common bathroom. Ready for occupation. Everything is working. Light, fan, geyser, all bathroom fittings, water tank, overhead storage. House was recently painted, so completely ready for occupation. All granite flooring, stainless steel railing. This is second bedroom, spacious room with wardrobe, dressing, attached bathroom. This is the ventilation duct, dressing mirror and bathroom here. Wardrobes, Roma brand Anchor Roma switches. Bathrooms have Parivare brand fittings. This is the third bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. 10 to 15 years ago, this was the standard model of houses which used to be built in HSR, Kormangla, JP Nagar area. Construction quality is good. House as it is you can utilize. Or considering the site cost in this area, if you want to redevelop after few years, you can reconstruct as per today's latest designs and planning. So this is the third bathroom with geyser. Further about terrace is there, laundry for washing machine, there is a provision has been done in the staircase room. Remaining open terrace is there. 2 rooms can be added here on this floor if required, if you want to extend the accommodation. All other details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.